Next method is column graph or bar graph. The column graph or bar graph, it is the simplest method of representing data when the data is large, like when the quantities of people or money is very large, then we can use this column graph or bar graph method. Here the bar that we will draw like this, the bar we will draw that will stand for a certain quantity. Like this example is given. The graph shows Akshay's score in 4 mathematics tests. See, here we have drawn 4 graphs, 4 bars to represent 4 tests. Test 1, test 2, test 3 and test 4. And here we have written the marks scored. Like marks scored by Akshay is between 50 to 90. So here we have started from 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here you can see the difference between 50 and 60 is 10. Here also difference is 10. Here also difference is 10, 10 and 10. So but if we see here, the difference is for 50. See here it is 0 and we have started directly from 50. So what we have to do when we are maintaining a big gap here, then we have to make it like this. We have to make a small triangle here. Okay, now with the help of this bar graph we will answer some questions. In which test did Akshay score 90? So what we have to do here, the marks are given 90. So just go take or draw a line in front of 90. So in which test did Akshay score 90? We can easily tell this one. So this bar is representing test 2. So my answer is test 2. In this test, Akshay scored 90 marks. Now the next question is, what was Akshay's score in test 1? Now see, this is the bar graph that is representing test 1 marks. So just see here. Come to this line. This line is coming in front of 70. So we can say in test 1 Akshay scored 70 marks. Just we have to draw a line where the graph ends. Here we have to draw a line, and from this we can compare how many marks the child scored in a particular test. So he scored 70 marks in test 1. Now how many more marks did Akshay score in test 2 than in test 3? Now if I see in test 2, Akshay scored 90 marks, so I can write here 90. And in test 3, how many marks he scored? Just draw again a line. Just straight to test 3, we have to draw a line. So in test 3, he scored 60 marks. Now we have to answer how many more marks did Akshay score in test 2 than in test 3. So when the word like this is given, how many more marks the child has scored, so what we have to do, we have to compare the 2 marks. One was he scored in test 2 and other was he scored in test 3. We have to compare both the marks and then we have to find the difference. See, we will compare 90 and 60, and what is the difference between 90 and 60? 30. So Akshay scored 30 more marks in test 2. So we will write here 30. In which test did Akshay get the minimum marks? So for this what we will do? See, this graph is big, this graph is big, this graph is very small. So it means in this test Akshay scored the minimum marks. Now see how many marks Akshay scored in test 3? 60. So we have to write the test number in which test. So we will write here test 3.